Today in the makerspace, I meant to bring the heat gun so that I could try to straighten this out. This is what happens when you leave a 3D print in the sun on a hot day. And so 2 steps forward, 1 step back. And so I'm reprinting. I'm also going to try to straighten it out because I anticipate I'll be doing more of these. And then let's see what we do from there. But right now, working on getting the print going. This is the print that we want to do. I'm working on the connection right now. Okay, good, it's connected. So first, I have to clear the nozzle, the extruder nozzle. So I don't know if I've done a video on this before. So I'll show you how we do that. We go to settings and controls. Settings, let's do a preheat on the extruder because we need to get the extruder hot, and then this will start to come out, all of this stuff, and then we need to load the new stuff in from above. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, it's almost there. When it gets to 190, then we're going to set it forward a bit so that we can, it's almost there. So we'll do extrude plus, right? Almost there. There. Now, so it will extrude, and that's going to extrude from there. You just need to keep that extrude going so that it gets rid of all of it. There. See, it's coming. Keep it coming. Until it all runs out, because we're trying to clear that nozzle. If anything gets gummed up in there or starts burning, then that ends up being a bit of a sticky problem for us. Okay. All right, so we might be at that end. So now we'll wait for it to stop, and then we'll insert this one, but I'll have to probably move the axis. So C minus. Oh, it has to wait now. So it's kind of done coming out. Ooh, ouch, that was hot. Oh, right, so once it stops. Okay. So now I need to put this in here. So I'm going to do that. It's so frustrating when you don't have all the things you need. So I had to run back home to get a piece of thicker filament because this has worked in the past to sort of get the flow moving, because sometimes there's some filament jammed in the nozzle and you just have to unstick it basically. So let me pull this up a little bit so that when we actually get to the right temperature, then I'll be able to basically, it's almost there, jam the filament down and try to get the nozzle unstuck. The temperature's at the right setting. Now I do extrude and see what happens. Have this jammed in here. Hopefully it'll catch. There we go. See? All that blue coming out of there that couldn't come out before, it was all jammed up. So now the black can't go through anymore, but the blue's all extruded. So great. We can pull it back out and put the new blue in. And voila, it worked. So I've got 100 millimeters extruding right now. When that's done, then we can get that print moving. Better. So the reason you use the thicker filament is this. I had previously asked, well, why couldn't I just poke something metal down? But when you put it in, the filament in, you're actually going to get the filament grabbed by the gears, and they're going to go down. So if you put a metal piece, and that, it wouldn't be able to get grabbed by the gears, and even if it did, then it would probably wreck the gears. So just sharing with you that.